Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to contact support in the PictureThis app. If you have any questions, issues, or need help with the app, this guide will walk you through the process. First, open the PictureThis app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner of and tap on the More option. Then, at the top right corner, you'll see a small settings icon. Tap on it to open the app settings. Then, scroll down until you find Contact Us. Tap on it to proceed. After that, you will see another button labeled Contact Us. Tap on this again to open the support form. Here, you can enter your email address so that the support team knows how to reach you. Next, write a clear description of your issue or question in the description field. Additionally, if you have an image that can help explain your problem, you can add it by tapping on the Image Upload option. Finally, once you have filled in all the necessary information, click on Send. This will submit your request to the PictureThis support team, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends who might need help. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and guides.